Friends, next week 3 IPOs going to come to the market. The first one is a Delhivery, that is May 11th to May 13th. We'll see quickly what are the key points for Delhivery IPO. The key points like what is their objective, what is their financial strength, and what are the dates for the IPO. And we'll compare with peers, and finally we'll close this video. Welcome to our channel Stocks in Silence. First, let us see the company Delhivery. That is a Delhi-based company. So that's why the Delhi is there in that spelling itself. Delhivery. Delhivery is simply Deli we used to do, but here is a Delhi-based company. They use the Delhivery. So now let us see the company. Delhivery is the largest, fast-growing, fully integrated logistics services. They are the major player in India by revenue financial 2021. Delhivery provides a full range of logistics service, including delivery of express parcel, heavy goods, PTL freights and TL freights, then warehousing, supply chain solutions, then cross-border express, then freight service and supply chain software. So the logistic related fully service they are providing, that is called Delhivery logistics services. The company has proprietary technology systems that enable it to offer integrated logistics services to a wide variety of customers. So that is another plus points for them. Then its a technology stack consists of over 80 applications for all supply chain process. So this company is basically a logistics company. They are providing all types of logistics services, including chain solutions, cross-border express, freight service, supply chain software, all they are providing. So now let us see what are their strength and what type of network they have. They have 164 network infrastructure, includes 124 gateways. They have 20 automated sort centers, and then 83 fulfillment centers, then 35 collection points, 24 returns processing centers, 249 service centers, then 120 intermediate processing centers. So altogether 2,235 direct delivery centers as on June 30, 2021. So we can understand they have a full network services and direct collection points, indirect collection points. They have full facility what they need for their business. The company has engineering, data sciences and product team of 474 professionals. The company served a diverse base of 21,342 active customers across e-commerce. So that is more important because nowadays the e-commerce is more upcoming business. So they have 21,342 active customers in e-commerce. Apart from that, consumer durables, electronics, lifestyle, FMCG, industrial goods, automotive, healthcare and retail, altogether they have 21,342 e-commerce business in this. So overall what we are understanding is they have the full-fledged service for this logistics service. This company is basically a logistics service company. Now we'll see who are the IPO promoters and who are the main promoters of the company. Deepak Kapoor is the main chairman and non-executive independent director of the company. Sahil Barua is a managing director and chief executive officer of the company. The third person is Sandeep Kumar Barasia, is an executive director and chief business officer of the company. So the lot size is 30 shares per lot. So maximum as a retail investor you can apply for the 13 lots, totally 390 shares. So now what is their objective? Why they are coming for this IPO is they are saying as per their document they want to improve the funding of organic growth and then inorganic growth through acquisition and strategic initiatives, and then general purpose of corporate business. So generally they want to enhance their business. Then let us see their financial status. Total assets is increasing from 31st March to December 21. 31st March 19 it was around 40,625 millions, then 40 become 43 in March 20, then almost 46 in March 21, then become 47 millions, 47,000 millions in December 20. But in this December 2021 it becomes 84,294 million. So total assets is steadily increasing from 40,625 to 84,294. So we can say almost double in from March 19 to December 2021. Total revenue, if you see same way, 16,948 millions in 31st March. It becomes 49,114 in December 2021. In 3 years, almost become we can say 4 times increased from 16,948 to 49,114 millions. So total revenue is good, total asset is increased. So profit after tax, if you see, that is we can say improvement is there, but still it's showing negative. The reason is in 31st March 19, 17,933 minus, that is loss. And we can say generally they reduce the loss from 17,833 millions to 8,911 millions. So generally they are reducing their loss. So indirectly we can consider say they are in the growth mode. So total assets, well, total revenue is increased, but the profit is increased, but still they are showing as a loss. Now let us see who are the peers and competitors for the Delhivery Private Limited. The first one is Blue Dot Express, they are the major competitor. The next one is TCA Express and Mahindra Logistics. So these three are the major competitor for this Delhivery Private Limited in this logistics business. Let us see quickly one by one. First we'll see that face value. Delhivery is a 1, Blue Dot is a 10, TCA Express is 2, face value I am talking. Mahindra Logistics is a 10 for the logistics. Now let us see the EPS earning per share. Still for the Delhivery it is a minus 8.05. Still it's showing negative return for this Delhivery, but at the same time Blue Dot, if you see the EPS 141, TCA Express 35 and Mahindra Logistics 5.22. So comparatively Blue Dot and TCA are performing well, EPS growth is good, but Delhivery is still showing negative return. Then if you see the PE, again there is no PE for the Delhivery, but at the same time Blue Dot 44, TCA 48, Mahindra Logistics around 91. Then return on net worth, still Delhivery is a negative, but at the same time Blue Dot 21.4%, TCA 25.8%, Mahindra Logistics 5.39%. So here also Delhivery is a negative compared to their peers. Book value 54.79 for Delhivery, Blue Dot 286, TCA 126, Mahindra Logistics 79. So here also they are lower compared to their peers. Sales in terms 3,647 crores for the Delhivery. Same the major competitor Blue Dot, if you see 3,288. So the major competitor of Blue Dot and Mahindra Logistics, they can able to do 3,200, but for Delhivery they have better than the competitors in terms of sales, that is 3,647. Then profit after tax, again it's a negative, we have seen just now. For the Blue Dot 102 positive, TCA 101 and Mahindra Logistics 30. So overall if you see, return on net worth is negative, EPS is negative, and sales is good, and PAT is, profit after tax is improving, but still for Delhivery it's a negative. Now what are their strengths compared to their peers? They have the rapid growth, we have seen their revenue and growth. So in that way they are rapidly growing. Scale and synergies across business lines, that is also growing. And proprietary logistic technology system, that is a unique system for this. Other people also have, but their system is unique when compared to the peers. Then data intelligence capabilities, that is also good. An integrated portfolio of logistics services. Then asset light business model enabling rapid scale up. What is asset light business model is how they can able to deliver as quickly as possible, and how they can reach the customers as quickly as possible. Those are all, we call it as a asset light business. In that way they have a business model like asset light business. That's good improvement for their business. Overall an experienced and entrepreneurial team from diverse backgrounds, these are the competitive strength. Finally we'll see what is the IPO timeline. Open date is May 11th, close date is May 13th. Face value is 1 per equity share. Issue type is book built issue. Issue size is 5,235 crore. One lot size is 30 shares. The issue price will be 462 as a minimum. Maximum will be 487 rupees per share. Going to be listed both in NSE and BSE. The listing date will be May 24th of 2022. So overall, we have seen what is their business, what is their financial strength, and what is their competitive strength, and how other peers are performing in this business. Now quickly we'll summarize how the business, whether we apply or not. So in that way, despite magnificent growth in the revenue, they have a good growth, but the business is highly competitive. They have a high freight charge, and employees and marketing cost is too high, and their EBITDA level is still showing as a negative. This is the first negative point of this company. Second one is an asset light model. Their warehouses, trucks, gateways, everything is on lease basis it's running when compared to their competitors. Their competitor Blue Dot, they have nearly 11,000 trucks, their own, and 5 Boeing planes also they have. That type of business and the type of model they don't have for the delivery, and that is a second weakness for this delivery business. Third one is the risk is that highly competitive, and they are totally dependent upon third party network providers. They don't have their own. Just now we have seen the trucks and the planes. They are mostly dependent on their lease base and their network providers, or if any problem with their network providers, then it's a big problem for the business. It's another risk for this business. Fourth one is this company Delhivery doing business in very competitive market. Currently 70% revenue comes from e-commerce. Though over the years the company has delivered its client base, but now the Amazon and Flipkart uses services of players like Delhivery, Ecom Express they are using, and these people, they are majorly delivering for Amazon and Flipkart for the e-commerce business. But at the same time, recently Amazon also has started their own logistic company. So these are all the direct threat to the delivery business. So overall the valuation is high. We have seen the positives and negatives. Now it's yours decision to apply. If you ask me personally, I'm not going to be apply, because the value is high and the risk is highly risk, and let us see how this going to perform after listing in the market. And again, the market situation also is highly volatile. Let us wait and watch how they are going to business, then we can decide. Thank you once again for your time. I hope that you like this video. Based on this all data, you can decide your own. Thank you. Bye bye.